In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix camera stuck in League of Legends 2025. If your camera won't move in League and it feels glued in place, don't worry. This is a super common issue, and in most cases it comes down to one of two quick toggles. I'll walk you through each, explain what's happening, and help you get back to normal in seconds. First, hop into a game. A practice tool session is perfect because it's safe to test without affecting a real match. But if you're already in a game, that's completely fine. Once you're in, take a quick look at the very edges of your screen. If you see a thin red border running around the outside, that's your clue. That red outline means edge panning is disabled. Edge panning is the feature that lets you move the camera by pushing your mouse to the sides of the screen. When it's off, your camera feels stuck even though the game is working normally. To fix that, press F9 on your keyboard. F9 toggles that edge panning mode. Tap it once, move your mouse to the edge again, and you should see the camera start panning smoothly. If the red line disappears and the camera moves when your cursor touches the edges, you're all set. A quick tip here. If you've customized your hotkeys, the toggle might be on a different key, but F9 is the default for most players. If you don't see a red border or pressing F9 didn't change anything, the second likely cause is that your camera is locked to your champion. When the camera is locked, it follows your character and won't pan freely. This can happen if you accidentally press the camera lock toggle during gameplay. To unlock it, press the Y key. That's the default toggle to switch between locked and unlocked camera modes. After pressing Y, try moving your mouse to the edges or dragging the map to confirm you can move freely again. You may also notice a small lock icon near the minimap change its state, which is another sign the toggle worked. That's it. Two quick checks, two simple fixes. Either press F9 if you see the red border and need to re-enable edge panning, or press Y to unlock the camera from your champion. Test both while you're in the practice tool or a safe moment in-game, and you'll immediately feel the difference. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your camera under control so you can focus on your gameplay.